Eagle-Eye's SG Ultra digital hydrometer is a state-of-the-art specific gravity tester that measures density and density-related values of the sample, showing measured results in seconds. The SG Ultra is commonly used for testing samples such as lead acid and NiCad battery electrolyte, alcohol and other beverages, petroleum, and other custom density tests. You can measure using a wide variety of possible measuring units, including density and specific gravity, with or without temperature compensation, API, bricks, alcohol, sulfuric acid, Baum-A, Plato, proof, and concentration. Some of the SG Ultra's many benefits include over 99% accuracy, 10 times faster and safer than conventional methods, measures specific gravity and temperature simultaneously, select from multiple units for custom measurements, wireless infrared interface for PC data exchange, density and specific gravity measurements with or without temperature compensation, storage of up to 1,100 results, and CE compliance. This easy-to-use handheld digital hydrometer includes all the required accessories to begin testing right out of the box. For more information on the SG Ultra or any of our other portable testing devices, please visit our website to view more product details and videos.